Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to reactivate Dasher account. You can reactivate your DoorDash account by submitting an appeal through their official website. First, open a web browser on your phone and search for DoorDash reactivation. Click on the first article titled How to Appeal the Deactivation of a Dasher Account. In the article, you'll find a link to submit a deactivation appeal form. Click on it. Once the form opens, select your preferred language, for example, English, and continue. Enter your email address. Make sure it's the same one linked to your DoorDash account. Then, check your deactivation email to identify the reason your account was disabled. Choose the appropriate reason for deactivation from the options provided. Next, fill in your first name, last name, and phone number and provide any evidence that supports your appeal, such as screenshots, images, or messages proving your case. Attach your files by clicking Select Files, and once all the details are complete, click Submit. Finally, check your email inbox within 1 to 2 days to see if your DoorDash account has been reactivated. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.